Is it good?
Did you get a new camera? Did work get a new camera?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, how come? Who's eating cake? Is that good?
What are you doing?
Cake.
Is it good? May I have some?
Will you give Nanny some
May I
cake?
have a taste? Thank you.
Cake.
Nanny,
It especially tastes good
I
with
think that was
all
his
your
first
wet
sentence.
fingers.
Nanny eat cake.
Oh!
It had
Write
a
that down
noun
in his
and
book.
a verb.
Hi.
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 You're such a little flirt when you want to be.
Is that cake good?
Slow down.
Mmm.
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 Mmm. Wait till tomorrow. Wait till your big cake tomorrow. Oh. He may not like the whipped cream. He may not. Is that whipped cream or is that regular?
Gosh. Done?
He
Are
may
you done?
like the sweetness. Oh, you have a wet paper towel?
But it has some